Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Taranta with Citizenship Academy. We're on Domain 6, the Reformation, Lesson 5, the Rise of Reformers. Our objectives for today are to read an informational text, to identify and describe key events of the Reformation, and to draft a friendly letter. Some key vocabulary for today. Ponder is to think about deeply. Theology is the study of religion. Superior is a person in a higher position. A thesis is a statement or idea. Intervene, to come between, to prevent from happening. An extravagance is something that is expensive or wasteful and not a necessity. Defy is to go against, to refuse to obey. Sect is a small group of people united by common religious beliefs that often contradict the beliefs of a larger group. And self-discipline is the ability to make yourself do what is necessary on your own without being told by someone else. Okay, we're going to go ahead and independently read the chapter for today. Our word work for today is self-discipline. Those chosen, said Calvin, would lead a simple self-disciplined life devoted to God. Self-discipline means the ability to make yourself do what is necessary on your own without being told to do so by others, and it is an adjective. So now you're going to draft your friendly letter. So in the previous lessons, you've actually started brainstorming what you'd like your friendly letter to include. You're going to go ahead and draft that letter and put it into the way you'd like it. Keep in mind you need all 5 of those pieces. So you need to have your heading, you need to have your greeting or salutation, you need a body, a conclusion, and you need your signature. And if you'd like, you can do a postscript after your signature as well. Some friendly letters can have some humor and make things funny. It can be casual. It's not very much like an essay. It's a little bit more relaxed. We want to have a clear purpose for why we're writing the letter and supporting details. Why are we writing this letter? And remember, we've already talked about those strong verbs. We want to see you using those in your friendly letter. And that's the end of today's lesson. We will see everyone tomorrow.